Hello and welcome to today's session. Learning Outcome, LO2, Understand how to research statutory law. In this session, we will explore how the legal profession operates in England and Wales. We'll examine the key roles within the legal system, including solicitors, barristers, and judges, and see how each contributes to justice, legal representation, and the smooth functioning of the courts. By the end of this video, you will gain a clear understanding of the responsibilities, career paths, and vital importance of these legal professionals in upholding the law and ensuring fairness. Statutory law consists of written laws enacted by legislative bodies. In the UK, these include Acts of Parliament and statutory instruments. Mastering statutory law involves locating, understanding, and applying these laws. Legal databases and official resources are crucial. Interpretation techniques ensure accurate application of statutes. Researching statutory law is vital for compliance and legal arguments. It supports case preparation and policy development. Understanding statutes helps craft policies aligned with legal requirements. Legal professionals and organizations benefit from thorough statutory research. It ensures understanding of legal obligations and legislative intent. Begin by identifying the relevant legislation in your area of interest. Access legal resources like legislation websites and databases. Locate the statute using its title and year. Analyze the structure, including sections and schedules. Check for amendments to ensure you have the most current version. A statute's structure includes a title, preamble, and sections. The title and preamble explain the statute's purpose. Sections and subsections provide detailed rules and provisions. Schedules supplement the main text with additional details. Understanding this structure aids in navigating and interpreting statutes. Interpreting statutes requires understanding key rules. The literal rule uses words in their ordinary sense. The golden rule modifies meanings to avoid absurdity. The mischief rule identifies the problem the law addresses. The purposive approach considers the broader legislative intent. Official websites provide free access to primary legislation. Legal databases like Westlaw offer annotated statutes. LexisNexis provides consolidated laws and commentary. Library resources offer access to printed statutes and legal encyclopedias. These tools are essential for thorough statutory research. Researching the Equality Act involves accessing legislation websites. Locate provisions on protected characteristics and workplace discrimination. Check for updates to ensure the statute is current. Analyze key sections using the literal rule for interpretation. This process aids in understanding and applying the statute. Statutory research can be time-consuming due to numerous statutes. Amendments require keeping track of changes in laws. Complex legal language can be challenging to interpret. Legal databases help navigate these challenges. Effective research ensures accurate understanding and application of statutes. Legislation can be found on official and commercial resources. Websites like legislation.gov.uk provide free access to UK laws. Westlaw and LexisNexis offer comprehensive legal research tools. Bailey provides free access to case law and legislation. Libraries offer physical copies of statutes and legal references. Statutes address societal issues and regulate behavior. They protect rights and promote public welfare. They align domestic laws with international obligations. Understanding their creation helps in legal research and application. Statutes provide a framework for legal standards and enforcement. Statutes establish legal rules and enforcement mechanisms. They clarify legal uncertainties and enable delegated legislation. They define rights, duties, and prohibitions. They outline penalties for non-compliance. Understanding these functions aids in legal interpretation and application. Statutes are organized into titles, parts, and sections. The title and preamble state the Act's purpose. Sections contain the main provisions of the law. Schedules provide additional details and procedural rules. The interpretation section defines terms for clarity and consistency. The interpretation section defines terms within the statute. It ensures clarity and avoids ambiguity in legal application. Locate it near the end of the Act for specific definitions. Apply these definitions consistently throughout the statute. This section is crucial for accurate legal interpretation. Determine if a statute or section is enforced for practical application. Check for commencement information in the statute or orders. Use online legal databases to confirm current status. Review explanatory notes for background and objectives. This ensures compliance with current laws. Visit official websites like legislation.gov.uk for verification. Search for the statute using its name or citation. Review commencement orders for specific details. Check explanatory notes for context and commencement information. This process ensures you are working with current laws. Statutes include supporting materials like explanatory notes. These clarify the purpose and application of the statute. Schedules provide definitions and procedural rules. The preamble introduces the statute's intent and objectives. These materials are essential for accurate interpretation. Explanatory notes provide detailed explanations of statute sections. They clarify complex provisions and contextualize application. Found alongside the statute, they are non-binding but informative. They offer insights into the legislative intent and objectives. Use them to enhance understanding of statutory provisions. Statutes address specific societal, economic, or legal challenges. Supporting materials help identify these issues. They explain how the statute resolves them. Understanding these issues aids in legal research and application. It ensures effective use of statutory provisions. Supporting materials include preambles and explanatory notes. Schedules and interpretation sections provide additional context. Commencement sections indicate when statutes take effect. Transitional provisions manage the shift from old to new laws. These components ensure clarity and effective application. In conclusion, effective statutory research hinges on a clear understanding of its key components. Supporting materials offer valuable context and clarity, while tools such as interpretation sections help ensure precise application. By mastering these elements, legal professionals and researchers can navigate statutory law with confidence and accuracy, making informed decisions grounded in a thorough understanding of the law. Feel free to WhatsApp us at 074-8436-1688 with any questions. We're happy to help. Thank you, and see you soon.